Boom, welcome back to this channel. Today we are at Golf Annex Estate Enugu. Golf Annex Estate is right off Enugu Onitsha Expressway, Agwabo community. This estate is developed by the Enugu State Ministry of Lands and Urban Development, and this is the current state of the estate. This video was brought to you by regular demands from people that want to see the update of Golf Annex. So currently the roads are being worked on. Some of the roads are tarred, but apparently it looks like the work has been paused for some time. However, people have been building and a lot of people have moved into this place because this place is right in the heart of town. Like you can see, surrounded by buildings and development. This is a safe and secure environment, as well as there is maximum security within this estate. As a matter of fact, when you're even driving in, they stop and search and be sure where you are going to. You can see the type of houses coming up here. The plot sizes are quite massive, and speaking about the plot sizes being massive, we have one plot here. Like you can see, this is a fenced and gated plot that is available for sale. It's about 616 square meters. That's above the normal regular 5. You can see where the middle fence is. So from the middle fence right to the front, the one behind that has a foundation is not, it's not among, but you can see the middle fence down to where this gate is before the road. This plot comes with the C of O, selling for 25 million naira, and is available. You can see the building beside it. The man has almost completed. Now this is the entrance into Golf Annex Estate, fully tarred and just off the road from Enugu Onitsha Express. To the right here leads you to Ugonyema and then to Ninth Mile, and that road is currently being dualized. The work is almost complete thanks to whoever is doing it. That has saved us a lot of stress there, because this is actually the closest road to Onitsha, and this other road to the left leads back into Enugu town, like you can see, and also leads to GRA, to the Golf Estate itself and the rest of them. So this is the entrance into Golf Annex. You can see, and this is the environment. You can see it's a fully built up environment. I hope this video helped you. At least you can see what the environment looks like right now, the development going. I think one of my favorite things about this place is this road, this entrance road. It was properly done actually, and Golf Annex Estate is actually kind of like on a hill. So I hope you do enjoy this video. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tell us where else within Enugu you would like to see, and we'll definitely make our time to go make the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Yes, I am Jeff Anozie and I'm your real estate consultant. He's right here in Enugu, but we cover properties in Owerri, Oka, abakaliki and Enugu right here. So if you're looking for a property, please send a message to that number right there, or call us on 0809-673-7668, and definitely we will hook you up with your best budget. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that you can see more of it.
And if you're looking for, if you want us to create a video for any other place in Enugu, please let us know in the comment section. I will sure try to make that work. Till then, enjoy a fantastic day and bye for now.